see it. I'm like, oh, you're in the stuff. I wish I wasn't climbing a nut. And ultimately, if you're climbing, you couldn't see the I know, because we're going low, we're going to see the road. Now, under here. Now, keep going. Oh, good God.
That's the end of the trail. Hey, you guys, what do you think? You made it?
Yeah.
We're going to go back?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
You're coming. You're not coming out.